Hello, and today you are looking at a spring tool dip spin machine. This is the model 24-S6. This machine is pneumatic power. It is the manual load system that we can show you. This is the load end where this incline conveyor actually will come up and dump the parts down into the basket. At that point, this will spin 90 degrees and you can slide your basket onto the actual load rails. Once you spin it again 90 degrees, it will then go into the machine. This is the unload side, so there will be two baskets in this queue system. So as the parts are finished, they will slide down to the end of this rail, which will then activate the drop bottom basket to unload the parts into your totes. We will show this machine in operation. As you can see, the door closes. We'll go around to the back. Here's the bucket mechanism that is currently dropping down to the 3/4 position. Once it drops down to the 3/4 position, the basket starts to spin to throw off the excess paint or sealer that you currently have. Right now we have it set up on very small timer cycles to just show the cycling. The paint bucket then continues to drop down to the bottom. There is a fume exhaust blower here as well. Here's the control panel. Has two timers. Does have a Sysmac S6 programmable control. There are 6 paint buckets and 6 baskets. There is a automatic load hopper that is included, as well as the vertical load conveyor here, as you can see that we have running. Overall condition is very good. Here are the manifolds, or the valves for the air, motor up on the top. Overall condition is very good on this spring tool manual machine. If you have any questions, you can contact Lanco at 616-887-8300, or you can view us on the web at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you.